What do I wish would go away? That's a very interesting question. To incorporate my answer, I'm going to divert a little bit to another Toastmaster who's not in this group. He is in another group. Many of you know him. His name is George Thompson. He's in the Suburban Toastmasters, very, very respected in the Toastmaster community. He's been in Suburban Toastmasters for ever since its inception. He gave an actual speech, a legit speech on how to answer at a meeting when you really have no answer. So this was an actual speech he gave. One of the things he said, which I'll incorporate now, is he said, if you don't know how to respond, first of all, graciously thank everyone. For example, thank you, Donnie. Thank you so much for that question. I'd like to thank my fellow Toastmasters, all of the people that showed up at Charlie's today. That is a wonderful question. Thank you so much. And our honored guest, Carl, thank you so much. Then you spend quite a lot of time pausing. Then you repeat the question. Let's see that. Wow. Of all the apps and technology, what do you wish would go away? That's intriguing. That is intriguing. Then, as he said in his speech, you've eaten up at least how many minutes am I? What am I at now?
You're at yellow, so you're good.
I'm in the yellow zone. That means I'm succeeding. Oh gosh, you guys are, and this is just a great club. Then you can go into flattery. You can flatter people to death and they'll never, ever care that you change the topic. Oh, my time's up. Well, I do want to be considerate for the rest of the members here today. It's been wonderful, just wonderful, Donnie. Thank you.
And I think I speak for everybody in Zoom land and in the audience. We just have a heartfelt, thank you to you for your contribution just now. I'd like to thank, your grandmothers, your grandfathers.